Wow, that's so yummy. Yum. Yum.
It's Australia Day.
It's Australia Day.
What are you making?
Lamington. Oh, just chocolate. Chocolate Lamington.
Now, do you want me to pour it in, or are you going to pour it in?
I'm going to pour it in.
2 hands in, pour it in, and then you can mix it. All of it. Yeah. Okay. Now mix it slowly.
Mummy, smell this one. It smells so good.
You're going to splash it everywhere and then release it. Wait, let me get most of the lumps out. I can get the lumps out.
And I can have some more.
We don't have a whisk. That's one thing we need to buy is a whisk. Help me pour the coconut out after.
Yeah, coconuts. It's too bubbly.
Recipe. This is a secret recipe.
What's going
To do on Australia Day. Okay. Now we've got to let it cool down. I'm going to put it in the fridge for a bit.
What's this go for?
Coconut. Are you going to put the coconut in?
Yeah, I'm going to put it here and put the coconut. Pour it in. Where's the chocolate under?
Make this container so we can use it again.
For other coconut?
Probably won't use
I got the sugar to the nuts in there. It's there. You need to wipe the coconut. Okay, how is it? Don't even want to wipe. Don't do it. Don't do it.
It's not all that. Okay. One of those pieces of cake. No, put it in here. You got to dip it in. Dip. Don't use that spoon. Yeah, use this. And flip it around. Flip it over. Flip it over. Flip the cake. Flip the cake over. Leave it to dry.
Under.
Okay. Alright, so have a turn. Yeah.
In coconut.
Now
Yeah.
flip it over.
Then flip it like a pancake. A pancake. I would have chocolate on me. Something. Then coconut.
Okay. Okay. France. You need them to do another one. Wait, here. Maddie, do one. Are you doing 8?
But I did before. Oh. Mommy, we never make lamingtons. Wow.
This seems so messy.
Wow, that's so yummy.
Do the coconut, your coconut after.
Oh.
Let me do this. Mummy do this. Get so evenly at the shop.
Oh, wow.
Bakery.
Yum. I think they are better than I had it.
This one is we get one of our lamingtons.
Well,
Do you want me to do it? I'll pick it up and put it in there, okay?
the chocolate. The chocolate tastes good already.
Clean it and put it on top. You can do yours in a moment.
The coconut's so
Alright.
it's too yummy. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Don't do that because we might.
The chocolate's so good.
Okay.
Wow. Mommy, the chocolate's so good.
Will you hold yours?
Put it on.
Alright, so we get yours.
I'll put you.
The spoon. Put the coconut on top.
Oh.
The coconut.
Oh, wow. Oh, no, that's it. Ow. Thank you. Yay. Yay. Oh. Okay.
Yeah, there's your fork. Are you gonna eat it? Do you want some help eating? Yeah. Do you want me to cut it with the fork? Ready? Cut.
Yay.
Put it in your mouth.
I can do it over myself. Mommy.
Okay. What? Do it.
The daddy. Again. Again.
Yeah. I'll do them. A bit messy. Is it good or not good? Is it better than the shops that we made it?
Wow. Oh, it's a cake. Now, Mommy,
No, you said that.
okay? Ooh, lovely. It's not cold. Oh, wow, Mommy.
Some help?
Oh.
Is it good, man? Let's eat it, honey.
Baby.